Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we'll show you how to send a photo as a sticker using WhatsApp Web. It's a fun and creative way to express yourself in chats, so let's dive right in. Step 1. Open WhatsApp on your computer by launching the WhatsApp Web application. Step 2. Open the chat where you want to send the photo sticker. Step 3. Look for the plus icon located at the bottom left corner of the chat window and click on it. Step 4. From the options that appear, select New Sticker to proceed. Step 5. Now, you'll need to find the desired photo on your computer. Once you've located it, click on Open to create the sticker. Step 6. Finally, hit the Send button, and your photo sticker will be shared with the recipient. And there you have it. You've successfully sent a photo as a sticker using WhatsApp Web. If you enjoyed this tutorial, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more WhatsApp Web tips and tricks. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to leave a comment below. Thanks for watching.